Today's reading comes from the good book of
Start over. The start over was my joke.
Broken van, side of the road, middle of nowhere. Everybody left us.
It's not looking like I have anything at all. I'm actually not even seeing part numbers.
They don't want to go to California!
Like my crotch was just in like a fishbowl. Yeah, my dick was a goldfish.
Inside of your tank yet, what?
Amateurs, man, I can't do this.
Exhausted. Oh, Panther, no pants?
I think somebody's got to have one.
I love them. I love them more than life itself. I would do anything for these boys, but they are factory kids, man.
So I have absolutely no idea what's happening today. And I kind of like that. I like sort of being surprised, being oblivious to things.